Okay, my name is Sanjay Gyawali. I have been working in Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal, which control all the airport in Nepal. I'm working as a CNS ship in Pokhara International Airport. As a ship, my work is to look after the communications and other surveillance part too. In Pokhara International Airport, there is a Hytera communication we have installed. I think 4 years ago. There is a system of Hytera for UHF communication, ground to ground. It is helpful because it's useful for the communication between different departments, so fast and reliable. And it's also useful. We are using Hytera communication for remote maintenance also, because we have a site at remote site and we have more monitorings at another site. So we are using Hytera communication for communication between different technical portions also. In that way, we are using the Hytera system here. And I think Hytera is more useful for that scenario. Hytera UHF communication now we are using is very useful, because other time we have to inform by call, telephone. But in this time, just pick up, it's portable. Just go any remote site and call. It's very useful for the communication between different departments. That's very useful. As you know, the airport is security critical. It should be security wise. So we have a cameras there in our airport, but there is a AI system. If we can implement that system, the airport can be more secure. I think by AI system, no need to that's the security personnel also, and it will inform in timely. It will inform, the system will automatically inform the control system. So I think that can be very useful. In Nepal, there is one Tribhuvan International Airport. It's using Hytera UHF communication, I think 10-11 years ago. There is a full whole Hytera system in Pokhara International Airport 4 years ago. First, the critical for the communication, I think the communication should be continuous, seamless. And in time, real time. So that is the main critical element of communication, and I think Hytera will be useful for that.